You can't do that with AI. Beware of hallucinations.
Hey boss, maybe I shouldn't be using AI. Hallucinations are a legitimate concern, but looking at all of our enterprise use cases, they only put about 4% of our use cases off limits. Told you to stay off ML Twitter. It's like when people were screaming about using interpretable models with tabular data. That didn't go very far. Start with a practical mindset. Remember, all models are wrong. What we want to focus on is the usefulness of models. But couldn't hallucinations cause a problem? Of course they can cause errors, but this is why we want to compare the effectiveness of these models with our other baselines, whether it's human baselines or other models we have. Once we have all that information, then we can start to compare what's the risk of mistakes of a model versus what's the benefits of putting a model like this into production. For my project, analyzing our customer concerns, the GPT-3 workflow, even with hallucinations, still had an accuracy of 92%. That compared to my baseline of human accuracy at 91%, and our previous model came in at 82%. For my HR Copilot system, I paired a large language model with classic information retrieval methods. That way, I knew I was pulling back factual resources and people could double check them if they needed to. Besides, there are more pressing concerns, like thinking about the context length of these models, the security around them, and when we talk about the predictions, how are we going to calibrate them? How are we going to deal with the stochastic nature of them? Good to hear. Guess I don't need to retire now.